Working in Creo Elements Pro CAD and dealing with a BCT binary catalog file. These store reusable component libraries for engineering design. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to use these Creo Elements Pro binary catalog files. Final step preview. We will conclude by utilizing a comprehensive file inspection solution to instantly resolve the BCT error, a tool also capable of managing numerous other file types. A BCT file is a binary catalog used by PTC's Creo Elements Pro, formerly Pro Engineer, CID software. It stores a collection of predefined features, parts, or assemblies that can be quickly inserted into a design. Users interact with BCT files to streamline their workflow by reusing standard components. The BCT format is a proprietary binary structure optimized for rapid loading and access by the Creo software. This design avoids the overhead of parsing text-based formats like XML, allowing the application to quickly display and integrate complex catalog items into a user's active CAD model, enhancing design efficiency. The designated application for the BCT file is PTC Creo from PTC Inc. Document fidelity is only assured when opened with a dedicated program adhering to the standard. Windows lacks comprehensive 3D rendering features, so full file access depends on professional modeling software. To guarantee success, right-click your BCT file and select Open With. If PTC Creo is available, test it. If not, choose another application. We are looking for the software that accepts the BCT format. If the BCT file still will not open, there is no need to stress. We didn't have luck with the basic application. Let's quickly pivot and execute these 3 targeted actions to find the core of the problem. First, opening in Creo Elements Pro. Launch PTC. Creo Elements Pro and access the catalog manager through the appropriate menu. Import the BCT file or place it in the catalog directory configured in your Creo installation. The catalog becomes available in the component library browser, enabling easy access to standardized components during model creation in your CAD projects. Next, migrating to modern Creo. For BCT files from older Creo Elements Pro versions, consider migrating to current PTC Creo. Open the BCT in older Creo and use export functions to convert components to current Creo format. Create equivalent component libraries in modern Creo, preserving design intent while leveraging current Creo features for ongoing engineering work. Finally, examining catalog structure. If catalog access requires troubleshooting, use Creo Elements Pro's catalog management tools to verify file integrity and proper configuration. Check catalog paths in Creo configuration, ensuring BCT files are accessible to the application. PTC support resources provide guidance on catalog management for enterprise deployments where catalog access affects multiple users. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagick. This software is available at filemagick.com. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.